Hi friends, today we are gonna learn different sounds of A. Number 1. Short A sound. How do you pronounce this word? Is it apple? No, it's apple. Apple. Do you know how to make the sound? Open your mouth wide like you're going to take a big bite of an apple. Then let's try the word. Apple, apple. Then try below words with me. Cat, hat, bat, rat, mat. Shall we try below sentences? Black cat, mad at happy rat. Fantastic bag put on flat mat. Try these words and sentences yourself for better practice. Number 2. Long A sound. How do you pronounce this word? Is it cack? No, it's cake. Cake. How do you make the sound? Open your mouth slightly wider. Keep your tongue flat and low in your mouth. Then try the word cake. Cake. Then try below words with me. Rain, gate, train, paint, aeroplane. Shall we try below sentences? The aeroplane flew high on sunny day. She baked cake for her birthday. Try these words and sentences yourself for better practice. Number 3. O sound of A. How do you pronounce this word? Is it ball? No, it's ball. Ball. Do you know how to make the sound? Open your mouth wide but keep your lips rounded. Then try this word. Ball. Ball. Try below words with me. Wall, salt, fall, walk, chalk. Shall we try below sentences? Paul saw a tall wall at the mall. Mallory walked along the tall wall to the small stall. Try these words and sentences yourself for better practice. Number 4. Open A sound. How do you pronounce this word? Is it father? No, it's father. Father. Do you know how to make that sound? Open your mouth wide, relax your lips, and keep them slightly rounded. Then try the word. Father, father. Then try below words with me. Car, farm, park, dark, shark. Shall we try below sentences? Mark parked his car in the large parking lot. The large shark swam calmly in the dark waters. Try these words and sentences yourself for better practice. Number 5, the last one. Schwa sound of A. The schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. Sofa, sofa. Do you know how to make the sound? Relax your lips, tongue and jaw. The mouth should be in a neutral, relaxed position. Sofa, sofa. Then try below words with me. Banana, alphabet, algebra, calendar, soda. Shall we try below sentences? Amanda took a camera to capture the drama. The idea of extra data for the Canada. Try these words and sentences yourself for better practice. Hope you liked the video. See you again. Thank you.